Okay. Well, I stopped and grabbed that garbage and it's birds that want us a little bit more. There's some birds in here. Friggin' around. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I'd like to get up there. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's a little windy out today. And let's go a little farther down here. So to bring my sluice box down here, I mean, there's lots of bends in this river, right? Get a little suction dredger, make it out of PVC piping, and suck around these boulders and stuff, right? You can see it's all washing through here, right? It's pretty cool stuff. Some kind of suspension cable going across there. Well, let's get back at her. Talk to you guys later.